Okay, welcome to this video. This is just a quick overview and unboxing of this Corsair power supply. This is a sort of budget line Corsair power supply. It's a 650 watt ATX one. It's non-modular, so the cables are attached. And it's rated 80 plus white, I believe. But you still do get a 3-year guarantee with this thing. Purchased this off Amazon. I think it was around about the £40, £45 mark at the time of purchase. Obviously that changes all the time. But let's have a look at this thing and I'll show you what you get in the box and what it has to offer. So anyway, it's an ATX power supply, high efficiency and low noise. That's pretty much all it says on the front. Let's look on the top and we've got our connectors sets. So this shows you have the 24 pin ATX connector, that's for the power to your motherboard. And that's around about 550mm long. You've got 1 times CPU power 8 pin or 4 times 2, so you've got 2 4 pins or a single 8 pin depending on if you clip them together. That's around about 600mm. You've then got 2 PCIe connectors, which are for graphics cards and other PCI cards. These are 6 or 8 pin, so you can snap the extra 2 on if you need them or take them off if you don't. There's 2 of those and they are around about 670mm long. You have 7 Sata connectors for hard drives, DVD drives, LED strips, whatever. You've got 2 peripheral connectors as well. These are Molex type. They're for like old ID hard drives, DVD drives, maybe some fan controllers and things like that. And then you have 1 floppy drive connector as well, which is also used for some fan controllers and other like hack sound cards and things like that. On this side here, just says high efficiency, low noise again, shows you a different picture. Same on the other side, not much to see there. On the bottom we've got compatibility, so it supports 100 to 240 volts AC input, so it'll work pretty much anywhere in the world. And the overall dimensions of the power supply itself. So anyway, let's get this thing open. It's just in a shrink wrap outer packaging, which we'll just rip open. Like so. There we go. And now this side just kind of lifts up as a flap to reveal some paperwork. This is probably warranty related information and an instruction manual. So this has got many languages in, and it's probably just all the safety rubbish really. Important safety information, blah blah whatever. We've also got this other general don't put it in the bin book. We get 4 screws to screw it into the case with black heads on. You get a kettle type power supply cable, just a standard IEC lead. You've got all the cables here tied together, and the power supply itself packed in bubble wrap. Some silica gel in there to stop the damp, should it be in a damp environment during shipping or whatever. Here's the actual power supply itself. Just open this bag. And there we go. As you can see, it's not a very deep unit compared to other power supplies, but it is only a lowest wattage. I believe this is a 120mm fan. Yep, that's a 120mm fan there, so you can see. It's not much bigger than a 120mm fan. There's a little danger seal here, Corsair logo on the side, and on the other side. They're the right way up depending on whether you put this in the bottom or the top of the case. All the power ratings are on the back here and relevant outputs. So you can see on the 12 volt rail this supplies at 52 amps, which is quite a bit of power. On the back we've got your input for the mains, power switch, the Corsair logo etched into it, and a little vent area. And I'll undo these whilst we're at it and show you all the cabling. So you can see that I'll wrap nice and neatly. There's your 20 plus 4 pin, which is detachable. You've got your 6 plus 2 to make the 8 pin for graphics cards. There's a pair of those there. They're on the same cable, like so. So that's for your graphics card. It's a single wire back to the power supply. You've got a 8-pin or 4+4 pin for the CPU power here, which splits apart should you require. You've got a string here with a SATA, 2 Molexes and a floppy connector on. One here with 3 SATAs on, and another one here with 3 SATAs on it. So that's how the connectors are made up. That's what you get when you buy one of these things. And I hope you found this video helpful or interesting. Please leave a like down below. Any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll try my best to try and answer them. And get subscribed for future unboxings, random computer builds and technology videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.